After a power assignment, you can check your scores in Canvas and also read the comments. It will let you know if there's a conference needed or if a retake is needed. You can also check your scores in Edulastic. Go to edulastic.com, click the tab that says Grades, find your power assignment, and click the Review button. It's then going to take you to a screen that looks like this. All the question bars are going to be gray. So I'm going to let you see your score and any feedback that I provided, but you won't be able to see the individual questions. That's because we're not all taking the test at the same time, and I want to make sure that the test stays secure. One of a few things will be the case. Here's one option. This student just got everything right the first time. That means there was really nothing to say, so I didn't list any separate feedback. Here's an example of a student who did miss some things, but notice that it says here conference only. That means the mistakes weren't big. Maybe it was just a sign error that made the problem be counted as wrong. We're going to talk, clear it up, and then get that credit back. No need for a retake. In some cases, though, taking a look at what the score is, I look at what the mistakes were. And if they were bigger mistakes, I do want you to retake the assessment. If that's necessary, it will say retake required, and then give you an indication of what topics to review before we do that retake. If you wish to see your individual test and exactly what questions you got right and wrong, I can show you. We just need to do that one-on-one. If you are ready for a retake, then I just need you to do two things. Here's the first. When it comes to getting ready for it, each unit will have a retake ticket, a little half sheet of paper that has the unit title at the top, and then some problems and questions for you to work through. These are like what's on the real test, and so I want to make sure that you get your questions answered ahead of time so that hopefully we don't make the same mistakes again. There are also 2 reflection questions, making sure that your toolkit notes are ready and that you have a chance to ask any other questions that you wish. Once your ticket is finished, then you give it to me, and I need to put you on the schedule so that I make sure your test is ready. You may do your retakes during a lunchtime. I'm always in my room. You're welcome to come do it then. Before the first period of the school day, during a study skills class if you have one. And I want to change the wording here because we don't all meet the same days of the week. But the first block day of the week, so for some of us it's Tuesday, for some it's Wednesday, I'll make those available as days where testing can occur. That way, if you don't have the free time to come in outside, you can get it done during our class time. So the recap, if you're looking for a retake, make sure you answer the questions on the retake ticket, give it to me, and we will schedule your next attempt. As you have questions, please ask.